Hey everybody, and welcome to the Sutle Pro Channel. This channel is basically uh, my legacy, uh, things that I've learned along the way being a entrepreneur, self-employed DJ, and just in life in general. Uh, what you'll get out of this channel, it's gonna be a few things. Some things are kind of random, but more importantly, event recaps on events that I've done, like weddings, corporate events, things of that nature, karaoke events, product unboxing, product reviews. Uh, Also, I'm gonna showcase other entrepreneurs. Showcase their businesses and how they got to their where they're at in their business life. Live mixes, like I said, I'm a DJ. Uh, we do live performances for the channel. Gig vlogs, detailing the behind the scenes of what goes on behind my gigs, and what else? That's about it in a nutshell. If you're a DJ yourself or entrepreneur, you might want to subscribe to this because I want to give other entrepreneurs tips and tricks that I've learned in my journey in the entrepreneur life, books and apps and things that I use to simplify the business process for myself. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and mash that notification tab because there's going to be at least one video a week that I'm going to come out with. There may be more, but you never know. So I'll see you soon.